So these are the garlic and cheese garlic balls that I'm in love with from Aldi. And these are brilliant because the best bit about them is they come on this lovely tray. And the great thing about this tray is it's the perfect size for the air fryer. So you can actually reuse this tray or keep this tray, and then you know what size tray that you should be using in your air fryer. And we just love this kind of thing. And it just perfectly fits. Let me show you just what a perfect fit it is for the air fryer basket. I mean, look at that. That is just brilliant. I absolutely love that. And then when you're cooking things like this in the air fryer, you can do them with cheese, without cheese, and they're just perfect for serving with some of our air fryer lasagna. So, turn your air fryer on, and then you're looking for a temperature of 180 Celsius, that's 360 Fahrenheit, and a cook time of just 6 minutes, and then press start. And we've beeped. Let's check on them, shall we? Oh, and wow. That is garlic bread deliciousness in the air fryer. And I'm sorry, but a lot of people slate Aldi, but they do some brilliant things. And it's perfect for, even on those nights where there's just one of you and you just can't be bothered to cook, and you can just grab a pack of those and cook them for just that short time in the air fryer. It's just brilliant. And these are them, now they've had a chance to cool down a bit. Just see how delicious and amazing they are. I think these are absolutely lovely. They're perfect for something cheap from Aldi for dinner. So don't forget to pre-order yourself a copy of the Air Fry Cookbook, available in both hardcover and paperback. And it's just brilliant for getting to know your air fryer. It's got 140 easy to follow everyday recipes. No fancy recipes that is just going to remain never cooked. It's everyday stuff like cooking chicken, chips, frozen food, and all your other favourites. And of course, if you pre-order it now and you live in the UK, you're paying just £10 because it's on a pre-order price right now of just a tenner. As well as this, there's calories included in all of the recipes, making it easy for you if you're calorie counting. There's a fantastic vegetarian and vegan section if either of those diets apply to you. And it's just a brilliant all-rounder from us air frying for 10 years. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the Recipe This family. You can find us on Twitter, Facebook and Pinterest. We also have a weekly newsletter at recipethis.com/newsletter, where we share with you our latest kitchen gadget recipes, what we're cooking in the Milner kitchen, and so much more. As well as this, we recommend that you subscribe to our YouTube channel, and then whenever we have a new video, you will be the first to know. And if you want to know about all our future videos, then I recommend you hit the bell for instant notifications. But even better, we now have a podcast. It's called Magic with Gadgets. Simply search Magic with Gadgets on your favourite podcast player and you'll find us there.